Good morning and welcome to online class. Day 16, class 7, subject social studies. Yes, lesson 1.8 communication. Yes, I had taught you that about communication in previous class. I had already explained you communication, that radio. Yes, radio, postal service. These all in previous class. And today I am going to explain you about telephone service. Yes, how it is important communication for us. Telephone service is most popular service. Yes, it is very important service for us. It is established after the democracy in 2007. Democracy सकिएपछि बल्ल यो के भएको त टेलिफोन सर्भिस एस्टाब्लिश भएको हो. Yes, it is very important service for us. And mobile is one of the most popular communication service. Yes, telephone service provides us communication between two people, makes easy and faster. Yes, when we are communicate with our relatives, yes, family, we use telephone service. The development made in telephone as means of communication is not way. Yes, not wealthy. Yes, it is one of the most important service because it makes us easy to communicate our family relatives, yes, with others within a few seconds. Yes, it is one of the most important communication. And second is that newspaper or magazine. It is also one of the important communication for us. Yes, for people, because newspaper, we update, we read newspaper, yes, and we get information, update information about our country, about our world, yes, about the weather, about many things we get with the help of newspaper. And same like a magazine. In magazine there are some advertisement, yes, there are about business, many things like that, yes. There are many types of newspaper, daily newspaper, weekly newspaper, yes, monthly newspaper. There are different types of newspaper, yes. Weekly we get that in district, in local, that Lumini newspaper, yes, daily newspaper, Budwal newspaper, yes, like that Gorkha Patra, yes. Newspaper and magazine are one of the effective communication, yes, one of the effective means of communication. There are different types of things we see in newspaper, that is poem, advertisement, weather report, yes, and other important information also we see there, and we study poem, jokes, yes, in newspaper, yes, like film news, yes, and we get different articles, poem in newspaper, yes. Yes, in first time in Nepal, Gorkha Patra is our first newspaper of our country is Gorkha Patra. Yes, it is published in 1957. 1957 years for the first time. Yes, and it is very popular. Yes, गोर्खा पत्र चाहिँ हामीले अहिले पनि हामीले स्टडी गर्छौं र यो हाम्रो देशको चाहिँ पहिलो पत्र हो. यो चाहिँ पहिलो चाहिँ हाम्रो के हो त न्यूजपेपर हो. There are different types of newspaper. Today I will teach you here that look here, daily, weekly, yes, fortnightly and monthly. There are the name of newspaper that published daily, weekly, fortnightly and monthly. Yes, today I will explain you about that. There are some are published every day. They are called daily newspaper. That Gorkha, Rising Nepal, Kathmandu, yes, Kathmandu Post, Kantipur, Himalaya Times. These all are the daily newspaper. That others Samaj, Pokhara Patra, Golden News. These all are the daily newspaper. In book here is given, yes, and next is weekly, yes. Weekly मा फेरि कुन कुन पब्लिश हुन्छ त हप्ता भनेको साप्ताहिक जुन आउँछ नि 7 days पछि जुन आउँछ एकचोटी That some the newspaper which are published weekly, that is called weekly newspaper. Yes, the name is here given, that they are weekly newspaper. Deshantar, Saptahik, Bhimasa, Tarun, yes, Drishti, Janadesh, Jana Awaz, Himal, Nepal. These all are the weekly newspaper, and fortnightly is also here given. Those newspaper or magazines which are published interval of every 15 days. 15 दिनको ग्यापमा इन्टरभलमा जुन पब्लिश हुन्छ त्यसलाई भन्छ fortnightly newspaper. Yes, and that newspaper name is Pokhara Express and Tourism Times are some of the fortnightly newspaper. Yes, newspaper. Yes, and next is monthly. जुन महिनामा एकचोटी मात्र पब्लिश हुन्छ, that means monthly newspaper. Those newspaper or magazine which are published every month are called monthly newspaper or magazine. International Forum, Navayuva, Madhupar, Kamana, Shiksha, etc. are some of the monthly magazine. These all are the what? Monthly magazine. Yes, this is very important and please study this. Kun daily newspaper हो, कुन weekly हो and fortnightly and monthly जुन हो यो हामीलाई के हुनु पर्छ त याद हुनु पर्छ. Yes, same like that today I will give you some tasks and please complete your tasks in time. This is your task. Yes, make a list of the national label newspaper and magazines published daily, weekly, fortnightly and monthly. के गर्नुस् त यसको लिस्ट बनाउनुस्. Just I have taught you here. Yes, look here. Daily list is here. Yes, and weekly, fortnightly and monthly. Here is given and write from here. Okay. And next is list down any 5 advantages as well as disadvantages of mobile phones to the student. अब हजुरहरुले के लेख्नुस् त 5 वटा एडभान्टेज. हामीले मोबाइल फोन use गर्दाखेरिको 5 advantages. Yes, write 5 advantages that student use mobile phone. Why student use mobile phone? First, number 1, it helps, it makes easier. Yes, easier communication. It helps us for student that find meaning, study, helping for study. Yes, talking with friends, relative, and we can student can also that calculate through mobile. Yes, they use for study purpose. Yes, that all are the advantages of mobile phone to the student. And disadvantage of mobile phones to the eyes problem. Yes, first mobile always harm that student of eyes. Yes, eyes of students. And next, wastage of money, wastage of time. Yes, student play game. Yes, watch movie. Yes, and they waste time. Yes, it also create problem for accident. Yes, while we are walking, while we are riding, we use mobile. Many students use mobile while walking, and that creates accident. These all are the disadvantage of mobile, and please write that. Okay, write also and learn also, because this is very important topic for us. This according to exam also, this 2 question is very important. Okay, thank you and stay home, stay safe. Thank you.